Oh my word. What is in this big heavy box? I don't know. Let's turn it around and see. The amazing marble machine. All right, here are all the pieces unpacked and ready to go. It's pretty simple to assemble. I made it so that it was easy to do repetitively. So let's put it all together. All right, the amazing marble machine for the Hank's grandchildren. With love, Papa Duff. I can't wait till they see it. Let's fill her up with marbles and see how she runs. See how the marble pump's working. Out they come. We're doing something for Papa Duff. I spent 150 hours building you guys a present. Who's ready to see it? Me! Okay, here we go! In the front room! It's a box! What does it say? Who can read? The amazing marble machine. It's so good and so patient. Let's see if it works. Okay, everybody stand up.
Okay.
So cool.
I've been waiting for this day for months. I'm not going to endeavor to cover every different kind of wood because they're in the comments below. But the finials have a little piece of every part of the wood. This is a Baltic birch ply and walnut and maple and walnut and something, I don't remember, Rosewood. These are all down below. I think it's Bacote, and then Bubinga, and then Rosewood, and then Purpleheart. I think this is also Bacote, maple, walnut. This is red oak. Red oak. I think this is Bloodwood. No, this is Paduck. And this is also Bubinga, which is an awesome. Well, I guess I did cover them all. Anyway, I do want to cover what each thing does, so let's see where the first marble comes out. The marbles go around in the marble lifter. They come out up top here. There's the first one. Goes down and has gone into the Dumpomatic, I think is what Matthias called it, the guy who invented most of this. The next one is going to be sent here, and the next one here. See where this one goes? Down, and it lands, and the first marble lands back here, and then is rolls by gravity down to there until the next marble hits. If we're lucky, we'll get another one in the same spot. Nope. That one hits this drum, which comes over and hits this clacker, and then goes on. Next one. All right, let's see where the next one goes. So the second one knocks it off of that. Back here is one of my adjustments. I adjusted this. I put in a hole here, which then comes down around the back and into the marble pump. See the marbles all come up here and then out one at a time. So here comes the marble pump. And it goes a different direction up in the bowl. And this this drum falls here, hits here, comes over the xylophone, and then on. And then down here, these are musical notes from a xylophone. DIY xylophone. All right, I think that's everything. Trying to figure out a way to do this zigzag where the marbles roll down with a router. It was tough. There was no... Anyway, I figured it out eventually. I improvised and made this little jig. Putting on a couple of coats of finish on